What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today we are with the car which we've never really had this type of car on the channel before. It is this beautiful Lotus Elise behind me, Series 2 as well, may I add. What a car, like, do you know, it's always actually been a dream car for me to own. Like, when I was a kid, I had my mate's dad who owned one, brand new, and just, like, even now, so many years on, such a modern, beautiful look to it. I cannot wait to get inside, just hear all about it. So let's get inside, guys. Hit that like button first. Let's hear about this beautiful Lotus Elise. Right, here we are, guys, inside the car, and we're joined with
Dave.
Dave. How long have we had the car?
I've had it since last August, so it's just been over a year now I've owned it. It's a very, very raw car to drive.
Yeah.
You feel everything in the road, even down to like a pebble, so when you're driving it's very sort of accurate.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's really not for the faint-hearted.
No, not at all. You can feel, it's even just sat here now, do you know what I mean? Still you can feel it. It's got you in, hasn't it? It's very, very, very rigid, as you say. Inspiration for the car?
It was my brother-in-law who had the Series 1 Elise.
Oh, right.
He had a red one and he put a different Rover engine in, made it a bit faster. It had a turbo, and as soon as he finished all the electrical side of the build, someone pulled out in front of him and wrote his car off.
No.
Came to the time when I was coming to buy one.
Yeah.
I thought, oh yeah, I'll buy one. So that was my inspiration for buying the car.
What is the spec of the car? What is the engine, etc.?
It's a 1.8 K series engine out of a Rover.
Yeah.
Just a very raw, basic aluminium head engine. So.
Am I right in saying the gearbox is Honda, isn't it, as well? I'm sure I read it up.
I think so. I'm sure. I'm not too sure on the gearbox.
If you don't know that guy, if anyone does know that guy, sorry, put in the comments below if what gearbox is it.
Yeah.
So Dave, what have you done to the car?
Well, I know that a few previous owners have tweaked the engine a little bit. There's an air induction kit on, made by Hurricane Air Filters. It's had several head gaskets. It's on its 4th head gasket now.
Yeah.
Had the heads cleaned, ported, all the coolant flushed. Basically an engine refresh, as you would call it. So now the car feels great and it runs terrific.
Yeah. So on reliability side, what would you say? Would you call it a reliable car?
I'd call it a reliable car if you make it reliable. If
Yeah.
you look after the engine, you get all the right parts done and changed correctly, and you service it and just look after it.
Yeah.
It's gonna treat you well and it'll be reliable.
Yeah, I guess that's the same with any car, obviously, and maintaining it costs more and more with different cars, etc. But yeah, if you look after them, I guess it looks after you, doesn't it?
It does, yeah, especially in the snow.
Right, guys, well, I guess that's enough talking. What we'll do now is we'll get outside, we'll get some exhaust sounds, get some drive-bys. The weather's not too good, so obviously this car is renowned for its handling. I don't know if we're going to catch that in this weather, but we will do the best we can, and let's just get it there.
Yeah, well, let's do it.
you've been inside this Lotus Elise, you've seen it go past, you've heard the noises, you've seen these beautiful looks of this car, hit that like button, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification for the next video, guys. Until next time, peace out and take care.